Untitled Leather.
Yo, what's good? It's your boy General 315, man. I'm back again, another sneaker review video for y'all today, man. And this time we got those Jordan 3 Fragment God Killer joints on deck for you guys, so we could take a look at these. I like this one. I was real skeptical about this joint at first, but Kick has the best pair, and I was kind of like, should I get them? Should I not get them? And then I decided to just pick them up. So anyway, dope shoe. It's very plain for me. It kind of reminds me of the Concord 11s, but we'll get into that in a second. Before I really get started, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. This is a dope shoe, but it is a UA. This is not a retail shoe. This is a UA shoe. So this is an educational video just for educational purposes, just to let you guys see what's out there. And it's just giving you a different view on things. You know what I'm saying? That's really what it's about. Don't get scammed, you know what I'm saying? Because this shoe is really on point. So don't get scammed. If you guys want the retail, you can go on StockX or GOAT. I'll put the prices up on the screen for you guys. And you know, you can probably get this for a reasonable price. So there's that. Follow me on Instagram. Go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Follow me on TikTok. Everything is popping. Wanted to get this one because with all the UAs on the market and all the reps or whatever you want to call them, they never ever get threes right. But I can say that they got this one right for sure. And usually with the threes, there's certain spots on the shoe that they always get wrong. For example, the toe box. They always get the toe box wrong. Also, in the back on the heel here, they always get this portion wrong. It's either too pointy or it's not pointy enough. But they really got this one right. So I wanted to get it just to kind of break it down. Now, I said earlier that this reminds me of a Concord 11, and on the screen you'll see a Concord 11. It looks like a Concord 11 to me. That's the way I saw it when I first saw it, and I can't unsee it. But I kind of like it now that I've had a chance to digest it and like sit on the shoe for a little while and watch other people do reviews and then watch other people wear it. And I was like, all right, cool. But really, I'm more so in tune with that, the technical aspect of it and the build of it. I think that they got this build perfect. They need to make all threes like this if they're gonna do UAs. I'm not condoning the reseller UA goods or nothing like that. I'm not saying that, because people can buy what they want to buy with their own money. They're entitled to do what they want. But if I'm gonna be purchasing any shoe that's a replica of a shoe, I want it to look right. And this one looks hella right. So let's just jump into it. You know, you got a white upper, very nice leather on here, tumbled leather on here, and it's a very soft leather. And then you have this nice black strip going through. You have a white midsole. You got a tooling code right there. I don't know if that's correct or not. I'm assuming it is because everything else is correct. You got a Fragment symbol here. You have this outsole, which I wish they put a Concord piece here. I think that would have been dope just to kind of make it like a Concord, but whatever, that's fine. Outsole there, black and white, looks nice. Medial side of the shoe looks just like the lateral side of the shoe. You have the heel here, which I like. Jumpman there, and then you have the Jumpman Air. I wish it was a Nike Air, but that's fine. You got the Jumpman Air, and then you have the Fragment symbol in the background. So very good construction of the shoe. You have Fragment here on the tongue, and I believe it's Fragment on the other. Yes, it is on the tongue. Air unit looks nice. So very plain, but like I said, it's about the construction. It's about the technicality, right? This toe box is 100% perfect. That is the toe box that you want. This isn't too high. It's not too boxy, right? This is where the elephant print would be. And it's not too high. It's not too boxy. It's nice and rounded. It's low. The toe box is curved. As you can see, it's curved in. That looks good. It's not too high and too squared off. From the top of the shoe, it's nice and rounded, looks nice. That is so perfect. And in here, look at this. This is like super perfect. It's not too big and boxy. It's just 100% perfect. This is the way the toe box is supposed to look. Why can't they get threes like this every single time? They can't get threes like this. They screw it up all the time. Also, on the back, right, this is nice and curved right here. It's not supposed to be pointy. It's not supposed to look like a triangle. It's supposed to be curved. And that is 100% perfectly curved. And I don't know if they use this circle maybe as like a marker and they cut around it and and that's probably why they got that right. I don't know, but that's perfect. Also, the height on the back, this height right here, perfect, 100% perfect. I'm like so happy. This shoe is 100% perfect in terms of all the cuts of leather and the stitching. There's like, I can't even talk about how perfect this is because it's so perfect. But yeah, look at this leather, buttery leather, buttery leather, white laces, Jumpman stitching, very nice, perfect. He actually has an elbow in there. That's kind of crazy. He got like a little forearm. That's just so crazy to me that they got this shoe so right, but they can't get other threes right. And I'm not saying Kid Cool, I'm just saying in general, these people can't get the shoes right. Like, I don't know what moldings they're using or what measurements or schematics they're using, but they just can't get it together over there. Y'all remember Can't Get Right? They can't get right. Dope shoe, I like it. I'm glad I waited, but as far as I know, Kid Cool has had like this pair for a while now. So if you want a perfect set of threes, I will go over there and get these fragments. All right, so if I had to rate the shoe on a scale of 1 to 10 for colorway, it's plain. I mean, it's white and black, it's a 3. 7 maybe, something like that. I like it, but it's not something that's catching my eye that's like, ooh, I gotta get those, right? But if I had to rate the shoe on construction and materials, 10 out of 10. That's all I got to say about it. 10 out of 10. I like it. It's dope. It's just a dope shoe. That's all I got for this one, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it was informative for you. Let's jump into that on foot. You guys stay humble. You guys stay blessed, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace. All right. What's good? What's good? It's your boy General. Here we go again. Another sneaker, another video. These ones, dope. And like I said in the video, right? This toe box is perfect. This is the way, look at that. That's the way it's supposed to look. This is the spot that the UA's always got a problem with all the time. This right here. They can get this right on every pair, we would be golden, but they keep messing it up. All right, y'all, we back. What's good? What's good? Y'all seem to like this. I'm getting a lot of questions in my inbox since I've been adding it to my videos. So I got some questions about heart attack and cardiac arrest from a few of y'all. There seems to be a little bit of confusion. They are not the same. Cardiac arrest and a heart attack, those two things are totally different. They both have to do with the heart, but they're different. A heart attack has to do with circulation, the blood flow to the heart. There is some type of blockage. The heart is not getting oxygenated blood. That's the primary problem with a heart attack. Cardiac arrest means there's something going on electrically with the heart. There's an electrical issue which results in the heart stopping. It stops beating. In a heart attack, your heart is still beating. It's trying to beat, it's trying to get as much oxygenated blood to that spot, but it can't because there's a blockage. Cardiac arrest, your heart stopped. I hope that clears up some information for you guys. You can always go online. You can always look it up. You can go to the National Heart Association and learn a little bit there, but that's the primary difference between the two. Both have to do with the heart, both not the same.